Okay. Please. Okay. Woo. Hi. 이게 나 맨날 저 비상등이 거슬려서 죽겠어. 안녕하세요. Hey guys. What's up? 지금 제가 충전을 하고 있어서 이게 지금 좀 불안정. Hey guys. 안 되겠다 이거. 잠깐만 근데 이게. 안녕하세요 여러분. 음악 안 틀어야겠다 그냥. 안녕하세요. 적적하게 해서 켰습니다. 비도 오고 방금 라이브 키려고 했는데 친구한테 전화가 와가지고 그 무지개 봤냐고 막 그러는 거예요. 그래서 한국에 계신 분들 무지개 제가 인스타에 올리긴 했는데 무지개 다들 보셨길 바랍니다. Hi guys. Sorry for my condition again because I didn't shave for like 2 days and I got some 여드름 here. 여드름이 아니고 모기 물렸어요. 모기. Hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, I just ate my dinner and I was just about to work, like, you know, get to work. And before I really get into work, I just wanted to turn the live on and just say hi. 잘 지내고 계시죠, 여러분들? 전 어떡하냐 이거. 잘 지내고 있습니다. 별일 없고요. 그냥 일하고 놀고. I eat 국밥. You definitely gotta try when you come to Korea. 하루에 한 끼를 먹으려고 되게 노력하고 있는데 요새 요 며칠 동안 번번이 실패하고 있어서 좀 약간 배드. Happy birthday, my love. Thank you. It's really early, but still. I just saw the 정류장 광고판 and it was so happy to see that. 이렇게 적게 먹냐고요? 저도 이제 막 뭐 찍고 막 그런 걸 해야 되니까 좀 노력 중이에요. 좀 덜 먹으려고. 그리고 I started tanning. 근데 잘 안 보이긴 하는데 워낙 한해서 제가 태닝을 다시 시작했습니다. 좀 근데 얼굴은 안 하고요. 몸만 하고 있어요. 사랑해 빡빡아? Me too. I hate math. Like who likes it? No, I mean you could like it, but I don't like it either. Are you tanning? Yeah. I'm getting tanned. I'm getting tanned right now. It's so strange that to see myself in this green T-shirt. 당신은 한국인입니다. 아, 예, 저 한국인이죠. 저 여권 한 개 있습니다. 한국 여권. 살이요? 살 요즘에 한 71kg. 아, 사실 6으로 내리고 싶은데 잘 안 내려져요. 술을 좀 안 먹어야 내려갈 텐데. 그건 그건 어렵다. Yeah, my birthday is coming. I never waited for my birthday for my whole lifetime because I feel so shy when my birthday comes really. Because you guys are really congratulating me and sending messages on all the love, but I still feel really shy. Like, yo, what's up with the birthday? It's just a day. But still I feel really blessed to get congratulated. Aw, thank you for waiting my birthday. 뭐라는 거지? 한국어도 좀 섞어서 할게요. 퇴근하시고 아까 그 무지개가 엄청 예쁘게 떴는데 무지개를 보셨을지 모르겠네요. 제가 뭐가 진짜 잘 안 나는데 지금 여기 뭐가 나가지고 난 게 아니라 목이 물려가지고 살짝 배드. How many kilos have you lost? My maximum was like 78. When I think it was when I doing like on or butter, I was 78. I used to be, but now I'm like 71. And when I did No More Dream, in 2013, I was like 64. So it's like precisely the middle of my maximum and my minimum. 지금 라이브를 킨 게 어쨌든 지금 좀 퇴근도 하셨을 것 같고 하시는 중이실 것 같고 아까 라이브를 키려고 했는데 그 무지개가 떴다고 친구들한테 연락이 와서 무지개 보고 나서 켰어요. 그렇죠. 지금 작업하기 전이고 오늘도 좀 작업 좀 하다 갈 것 같은데 그 작업하기 전에 그냥 인사 한번 드리려고 의뢰 무난 인사 기체후 일양 만감한 하십니까 이거 한번 하려고 켰어요. Are you doing workout lately? Yeah, I always do. Like I do at least like once for 2 days. 어. 아, 무지개보다 더 예쁜 거는 지금 여기 들어와서 같이 얘기해 주시는 여러분이죠. 으, 오랜만에 하니까 죽겠네. 오랜만에 이런 멘트 하려니까. What is your favorite food? Actually, I my menus it's really limited. There's some specific Korean food and I don't change my menu a lot actually. What time is it there? It's 7:25 p.m. 작업 잘 될 것 같아요. 제가 앨범 준비하고 있다고 얘기하진 않았는데 뭘 준비하고 있긴 합니다. Yeah, I watched Jimin's IG story too. It's like the cutest. It's like the cutest living thing, in this whole world. Are you cycling daily? Actually, I don't know like the correct meaning of your cycling, but I think it's been a while that I've not ridden my bicycle. How many hours do you work out? I usually try to make it in like less than an hour because as long as it gets it's worse. Driver's license, not yet. My necklace is a brand called From Soloist, and it's just a simple like single. necklace, and these days this is my favorite. Oh, 6:25. Damn. Sorry to wake you up. 무빙이요? 저 무빙은 아직 못 봤고 마스크걸을 한 화 남기고 지금 아직 다 못 봤는데 마스크걸 다 보고 나서 무빙 보려고요. My room is so dark. Yeah, because it's my studio. I prefer dark. 엘리멘탈 봤죠. 엘리멘탈 2번 봤습니다. 엘리멘탈 너무 슬퍼요. Please recommend a good anime. There's one of my favorite. It's called, I don't know, what did we say? 바다가 들린다라는. It's from Ghibli Studio, and it's like 30 years ago. It's just only 1 hour long, 1 hour length, and it's really good. Like the outfit and the cutouts, layouts they use. I think it's one of the greatest anime I ever seen. 최근 시간 날 때 읽고 있는데 술 먹으면 못 읽고 술 안 먹으면 읽어요. 노력합니다. 루틴을 그 잘 잡으려고 노력을 많이 하는데 근데 요새 좀 망가지고 있어서 루틴이 다시 한번 좀 제가 좋은 책을 읽게 되면 여러분께 알려드릴게요. Okay, you guys, I know what you're talking about. You just keep telling me that I insulted a religion, but I didn't. There was no any intention or like purpose to insult a religion. I respect every beliefs and religions. That's all I could say. So please don't like, I know what's going on in my I know what's going on in my Instagram. I'm not I can see, but I never there was no such any purpose or like at least 1% of my heart or intention to insult a religion, okay? Guys, it's a song, okay? I'm not apologizing. I'm just saying. I have my own soul. I'm 30 years old. I can express my truth out. Please, the word is the word. It is what it is. Please believe my words from myself. Not just guessing, pretending, and assuming. Okay? I can't like I know my limits. I know even I'm telling my truth. I know I can't convince and persuade like every people. Maybe some people would think of me as like, oh no, you still lying. You trying to you had that intention and purpose to insult, but which I didn't. I have never. Guys, I understand what you're saying, but I just can't I just can't I just can't lie, guys. I just can't lie to you. I'm just I'm just being honest. I'm fine. There's no problems. But I've heard that there's some, problems, and the noise is all around. So I just had to say about that because you some people will just keep chatting me about that. Yo, just okay. Please believe me. Yeah, let's change the topic. Ah, man, I didn't want to I didn't want to I didn't want to say about this, but you just Some people just make me say about this, but I just can't stand it right now. I've been I've been holding my things in my heart like for like 10 years, but now I can't just bear it. I just can't deal with this. I just have to say, if it's me, just believe my own words. It's a good day. It's raining in Korea. Um I'm in my studio. I'm just about to get into my work. Everything's good. Yeah, like I mean like problems happen, but yo, I'm a strong man. Please have a heart. Okay, so let's change the topic. Today I got up a little late and I worked out and ate dinner and saw a rainbow and listened to some music. And I'm planning to work on the projects I've been working on, and that's all. And just turn this live on to say hi. Just not to say about this. I just wanted to send you a good vibes. Plans for JK birthday. Oh, yo, it's still a blessed to have a birthday with such, a dear friend and dear brother I really love, which is even JK. And you know it's always great to have this like similar weekend with him. It's really fun. I just saw a boss actually to on my way to Hive. It's like happy birthday, JK. It's like, man, it's September. Yeah, August is getting to an end. Autumn is coming. 뭐가 잘 어울릴까요? Let's go for a walk? Nah, man. 뭐 이따가 하면 되죠. 워크야 뭐. My favorite season are always. Am I tired? No. I slept well, worked out well. My favorite season is fall too. What are you working on, y'all? I can tell you guys right now. And this is a serious project, and I'm 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 focusing, all the nerves of mine like to this right now. Yo, like same for you guys. Like, um, sleep well, stay healthy, have love in your mind. Have you eaten yet? You look like a little thin. Yeah, I'm getting tanned and working out. Maybe lost some weights, but my weight is stuck in 71 kilogram. What is your favorite book recently? There's a book called, I don't know I don't know what's in English, like Love Praises by Alain Badiou. From it's a philosopher. And actually I took a picture of some of the text on my Instagram, so maybe you could find out. Yeah, something on my hands? No, it's none. I think my fingers are getting longer and longer. uh okay. Y'all, I'm going to work. ah Guys, just to make sure, like, don't worry. um just believe me, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, as music, or as career, or I don't know, as a human. Life is a journey, right? So there are a lot of hurdles and obstacles to get over, or just to pass by. But no, I'm cool. I'm good, and I'll be like forever focusing on my own things, not the like the bad energies outside. So stay healthy. Thank you for congratulating and entering my short and stupid live once again. And I'll tell you guys, I'll say hi again when I maybe when I feel like. I love you. I love you even more. Like um when our all team gather together on the even stage, my love for you guys is like growing again and again, day by day. So just want to say I love you for real. I love you. Stay healthy. Um, I hope everything around you will be fine. Bye. I'm going to work. Peace out.